This is showing to be a nice set for where they could possibly be going up 400% over the next year. Hey guys, welcome to DrainCoin, where we show you how to invest for a better tomorrow. My name is Tyler, and today we're going to be going over a company called Provention Bio and why I think they're pretty much near the bottom of their price even over the last year, and where I see their stock price going up in general as we look to the future. So just to get right into it, what they do is basically work on treatments for people afflicted with autoimmune diseases, and their goal is basically to either prevent them from having a huge effect on the body or intercepting them if they're far along enough to where they can do damage and prevent that damage being done to the body as a whole. The main things they're trying to work towards helping out are going to be people that deal with either type 1 diabetes, lupus, or celiac disease, which are all very damaging to the body, obviously in their own different ways. And there's very limited treatments that are available for each, besides like just mitigating your diet and things like that. Their most advanced candidate for intercepting autoimmune diseases before they progress is going to be PRVB 031, and this is targeted more towards type 1 diabetes and the prevention of that in people that are at risk of becoming onset for type 1 diabetes. And when comparing their specific treatment to placebos, there's a median of about 3 years in pre-symptomatic children and adults, to where they were able to delay the onset for that period of time. As we look at their earnings, they are projected to come out on May 6th with their updated earnings and revenue for their shares and their company as a whole. And what their consensus estimate is showing to be is that they will improve from their last earnings per share that was reported in February. And this is going to allow them possibly for a nice bounce on a shorter play if they are able to follow through and beat those estimates or come close to them as we look towards May 6th. That's about 4 days from now where I'm making this video, so we'll see where they are going into then, but it looks very promising, hopefully, from the different things they've been doing this year. HC Wainright did come out in the last week and say that they are still having a buy rating on PRVB stock, and they have a price target of about $27 for themselves. And with the shares closing around that $7 area as of Friday, April 30th, this is showing to be a nice set for where they could possibly be going up 400% over the next year. This is going to be a nice play long term, in my opinion, due to the fact that they have a lot going on in their pipeline and they have a decent amount of upside potentially from where they're sitting now, considering they've already been around that $19 area since January. And I could see this easily hitting 15 to 20 bucks by the end of the year again, considering they have already been in that area and they've also got an average price target consensus of $19.75. So I'm going to be looking for 20 plus by the end of the year personally. Now, as we look at the chart for PRVB since October, they are on a significant downtrend since they peaked around almost $20 back in January, and they look like they could be bottoming out towards where they could possibly see a nice bounce off this. Their 52-week low is about 6.36, so they're still about $1 above that roughly most trading days. I don't see this going too much lower except for maybe that 52-week bottom, but with them having earnings coming up this week and everything, this could easily be a rise back up to 10, considering this dropped early April and it's just been sitting consolidating around this area since then. What I'm going to be looking for is, like I said, a nice bounce into earnings that could possibly push them to 10 to 15 bucks. And then that's going to be a lot of people that have been holding for a while, probably going to sell off. It'll pull back a little bit, that kind of thing. But if you're in this for the long term, this is going to be a great price range to load up even past earnings, possibly pick up some more stuff as it dives after earnings sell-offs. And this could be great, in my opinion, for where a portfolio could be bolstered with a nice play that's going to see strength both shorter and longer term. As I said earlier, I think over the next year, they're going to be an easy $20 target is where I'm placing them. So if I am getting my shares in now, I'm going to be looking to see a possible 300% rise within the next year till December. So when I've got this company in my portfolio, I'm going to be looking for a nice almost 300% rise till the end of the year. And they're going to be seeing a possible run to 25, 30 plus going into May of next year, depending on how their data pans out with everything that they're researching. stream. That's going to do it for me in this video today, guys. I just wanted to thank you for the support over the last few videos. We did just pass 750 subscribers, which is insane. And I think we're up 100 subscribers in the last week alone. So thank you guys so much for everybody new that's been coming in. Hope you enjoy the new videos going forward. And I hope to see you guys more in the Discord that we have, that you guys can come and chat with me or anybody else and get second opinions on your charts and everything else like that. I'll catch you guys in the next video, and I'll see you then. Peace.